Good morning, welcome back to my home. I'm gonna take you through my day today. Today is actually Friday. We do pizza and movie night on Friday nights. So I am going to try to share a recipe in today's video. I am doing leftover pizza for my kids. We order pizza probably every like 2 to 3 weeks for them. And then I just order, they have like a 2 pizza deal and I just order a ton. And then I freeze it, and then it just makes for really easy dinners. And my one daughter likes cold pizza and my other daughter likes hot pizza. So all in all, it just works out. And then for my husband and I will either make a cauliflower crust for myself, or I will do a chicken-based pizza for both of us, as my husband doesn't eat cauliflower. It is a total hit. Every time I share this recipe, y'all go crazy. So stay tuned for that. We're gonna have a beach afternoon. And my house is actually trashed. We got some packages from Amazon yesterday and my husband unboxed them last night, and he's been working a lot, so it's just like all over the floor. This is just real life, and that's okay. So I'm gonna enjoy this coffee. It is what, 6:30 in the morning. I've been up since 5. I actually am back to not really sleeping. So that's been fun. My husband's alarm goes off at 5:15 and I was like tossing and turning in bed. So I just decided to get up. I've just been relaxing, enjoying a cup of coffee. I'm gonna have one more as you saw me make, and then I feel like I need to like get ready for the day. I don't get ready every day, especially in the summer, but your girl wants to feel somewhat human. So we're gonna do skincare, light makeup, nothing crazy because we are going to the beach. And then I also got a new bathing suit. Maybe I can show you guys that. And yeah, we're gonna take you through the day. Okay, I have a little bit of my coffee left, but I'm somewhat awake, alive, and enthusiastic. My energy will shift as the vlog continues. I'm just gonna tidy up the living room quickly. I'm going to get a quiche in the oven, mom hack. I make quiche 1 to 2 times a week, definitely at a minimum once a week. It is life-changing. You just throw it together, put it in the oven, and boom, like an hour later, breakfast is served. And my kids love quiche, so I just love how versatile it is too. I usually make like a ham and cheese one, bacon and cheese if I have leftover bacon that needs to be like eaten. Let's just tidy up. There's really not much. It'll take me 2 seconds, so let's get it done and then my brain will be happier. Joyce doesn't have enough puppy. There's shoes everywhere. She doesn't eat them. I'm also not quite ready to turn on the overhead lights. I apologize, but also, it's chilly outside this morning. It's like 17 degrees. I'm from Canada, so that's Celsius. I don't know what that is in Fahrenheit, but for a summer morning at the end of July, it's pretty chilly. I usually drink my coffee out on our patio, but on mornings like today or in the winter. It's my chair over there. My kids think that my house is a jungle gym. We ordered a table. This is like a super compact folding table, as you can see, for the beach, as well as a beach umbrella. We have beach tents, which are amazing, but sometimes you just want to be like in the open and not enclosed in a tent, and so we got a beach tent finally. kids' quiche in the oven. I'm going to feed my dog, and then while the quiche is cooking, I like to get things done. Sometimes this looks like getting ready for the day, washing my face, makeup, hair, all the things. And other times it's tackling the mess, cleaning the kitchen, unloading the dishwasher, reloading it, and then sometimes it's getting my workout in. Today we're fasting, so when I'm done feeding my dog, I'm going to take my electrolytes and get ready for the day. We're going to just wash my face. I've been using a new skincare for, I guess, quite some time now, not really that new, and just did a stock up on my favorite products. And then we are not doing much for hair and makeup because we have beach plans this afternoon, and in my opinion, it's kind of pointless. And then we need to start unloading the dishwasher and getting the morning routine going before the kids wake up, and then I'll get my workout in while they're eating breakfast. One thing I've learned in my glow up era and reinventing myself as a mom in her 30s is creating space and calming your nervous system is so important. This morning I was just feeling off, kind of shaky and not my happy bubbly self, so I really like to slow things down and do more yoga style workouts on these days versus strength training. So we got that done. Now I'm going to break my fast with my protein coffee, whip up some eggs for breakfast, as well as get some bacon in the oven for our pizza tonight. I like to prep and have everything cooked for pizza and movie night. It just makes my afternoons go so much more smoothly and less stressful. If you're not cooking bacon in the oven, by the way, girl, like what are you even doing? I highly recommend it. It saves so much time, it's less effort, and I don't have to watch it cook. Highly, highly recommend. True reflection of what a day in my life looks like. I feel like I've lived 100 lives, honestly, but I promise there's a method to my madness. I like to feel like I'm multitasking on productive days. So, example, when my quiche is in the oven, I was getting ready, right? While my bacon is in the oven cooking for dinner tonight, I'm tidying up. I've also learned to actually sit down at the dinner table for every single meal. This is a new non-negotiable for me. If my kids need something, they can either A, get it themselves, or B, wait, because I deserve to enjoy a hot cooked meal as well. Obviously, I do my best to ensure everyone has what they need prior to sitting down, but this has honestly been incredible. Mind you, my kids are getting older. They're a little bit more independent, and for reference, they are 7 and 9. It is 10:09. I'm a little slow today. In the summer, I just move a lot slower. I try not to hustle. I try to just like really, again, slow it down. And I am just getting ready to leave the house now, which is fine. But I'm actually, my girls and I, we're going to go paddleboarding. The weather is like almost perfection. It's like starting to turn a little bit, and so we got to get out on the paddleboard. This was not on the agenda this morning, but we're gonna run with it. We're gonna go while the going's going, and then we're gonna come home, probably eat lunch, and then head back to the beach for an afternoon play date. Okay, I seriously have yet to meet a NYX bathing suit I don't like. Honestly, I love their single like one pieces. I feel like they fit in all the right places. They hide in all the right places. And I like the thick straps of this one. And if I turn you around, you can see the crisscross back, which I just think is adorable. And I can't believe I'm sharing this all over the internet for the world to see, but you're welcome. It's got full coverage in the butt, which I like. It's like a little cheeky, but it's still like, you know, safe enough to wear with the children. I actually own so many NYX bathing suits, and again, I have yet to be disappointed. If you're looking for the perfect mom suit, I think I forget what it's called. What is it called? I don't know. I own it in like 3 colors. The classic, it just like hides a little bit better in the tummy area as it kind of cinches, but I just think this one is so cute as well. This is a medium that I'm wearing. I would say that all of their bathing suits fit true to size, but make sure you look at their size chart just to double check. Again, this one is amazing. The classic is amazing. I'll leave my link to shop NYX down below if you are interested and need a new bathing suit this summer. I talked about this a little bit in my last video, but I did start to delegate the task of folding laundry to my husband a few months ago, and truthfully, it has been such a weight off my shoulders. If there's any household task I absolutely despise, it is folding laundry. However, with my husband working a ton, he is more than happy to do it in the evenings when he's home, but when I do have the capacity to do it, I'm more than happy to. But it's nice because when I don't have the capacity, I just leave the laundry bin in the living room here and he will fold it that night when he's home from work. And as somebody who hates to ask for help, I hate to say I highly recommend it, right? Like just ask for help when you need it. It's okay. You're gonna survive. Time to make dinner and for the viral chicken pizza crust recipe that I have been talking about. Once you make this a handful of times, it becomes second nature, which is really great. So while I don't follow a recipe anymore, it takes about 1 pound of ground chicken. You can also use ground turkey if you want.
Sorry, I should have braced yourself for some raw meat, but here we are. And then I add about half a cup of ground up pork rinds, a quarter cup of Asiago or Parm cheese, whatever I have on hand, maybe about half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and then 1 tablespoon of parsley, and that is it. Put it between 2 pieces of parchment paper and roll it out. I love this marble roller that I have, and as you can see, my daughter helps me with this part, as it's just easier to roll when somebody holds the tray down. Then you bake it in the oven at 425 for about 20 minutes.
Okay, I have the pizza in the oven. It goes in for 20 minutes. While that is in, I'm going to cut the bacon and just kind of get all of the toppings prepared. I love a chicken pizza. So like barbecue chicken, chicken carbonara, chicken Alfredo, like anything chicken is my go-to. And so every single week I usually make myself a chicken Alfredo. So I took some Alfredo sauce out of the freezer this morning because I batch it. I make my own Alfredo sauce and then I will divide it into individual containers and freeze it, and then we're good for like 4 weeks. Then I pre-cooked the bacon this morning. As you saw, we have some leftover chicken. I'm really trying to up my vitamin C, and so I wanted some roasted red peppers, but not today, and cheese. And that is it, and it is so simple. It is $5.29. And I can get this pizza hammered out in like 15 minutes flat. It's pretty great once you nail it down. I don't measure anymore. I just like throw the ingredients together and call her a day. So let's go ahead and start prepping. It is 5:54. I am gonna go ahead and end this. I hope that you guys enjoyed today's vlog. I've never taken you guys through a day of my life or like a whole vlog before, and so if you enjoyed it, please let me know down below in the comments and I will definitely share more lifestyle content. But my husband's gonna be home any minute now and we are going to enjoy the rest of the evening together as a family. We're gonna have our pizza and movie. We are finishing Avatar and the girls are pretty excited. So anyway, again, if you liked it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you are new, and we'll see you next week for a new video. Bye.